YXZ. Yo guys, Chris with Blind TV. Man, I'm working on the Z. I almost got her back together, and I reached out to somebody. And his name is John, and I got something back that was very cool. Must need is something that has had to have had happen to this machine in quite some time. So here it is, guys. Boom! Trinity Racing. John at Trinity, and we're going to be working together. Try to do something in the near future for you guys, my viewers, or whoever watches who's interested. But this is a Trinity Stage 5. I'm going to have a Trinity Stage 3 full system. And I got the full header and everything. And I'm going to do some measurements as well. That's just the tailpipe. Here is the mid pipe. Really good quality stainless steel. Got an O2 bung, but I'm going to cap it off because I don't have an O2 sensor in it right now. Very well built. Right here. I went with black. It's nice. And here's the full header pipe. And man, it is good quality. They zip tie everything right there, so when you put the springs on it, you're good to go. It's a good exit right there. It goes to the mid. But you know it's pretty cool? It's got Trinity right there on the side. That is super awesome. I really enjoy that. That's really, really cool. Very, very good. It's well stepped. It goes in. Very, I would say, put together. And then I have, where's it at? This is what I'm programming with. It's the Dina J PowerVision 3. That'll flash in there, and I can use it as a diagnostic reader and stuff like that. That's what we'll be doing. But I took this stuff. That's got the Cadillac converter still in it. It weighs close to 50 pounds. That tailpipe. That is heavy for an exhaust or the head pipe or the muffler. That right there, probably another 20 if I guessing. I don't have a handheld scale, but they are heavy, stupid heavy, unreal. So I'm gonna set you down, and I'm gonna get this stuff put on and whatnot, and kind of show you guys, because there's no videos of the YXZ actually putting an exhaust on it, even with Trinity. I mean, well, Trinity, not that I've seen. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna set you down right here, and then get to this. Put you down. I give you an idea of where I'm working. So this is the gasket right here that goes in the cylinder 1. And I just had these plugged up because I didn't want stuff going into my head. Just like that. 2, 3. Now it's important, guys, and I've already done this, to clean your interior surfaces right here, because sand does get trapped up right in there, that I've seen. That I've noticed, I guess you could say. It's not oblong fitted, it's not messed up. It's a gasket. I may have to put it on this when I get ready. So I'm gonna stick the head in there. The way this works, I'm just gonna and then there goes that one. Oh. There it is. Clean it off. I wish I knew of another way for this to stay. Sticks against there. These flanges are real fat too, which is cool. Man, I'm really I'm almost wondering if I have to cut these zip ties, probably, to get these to fit in there, because it's not yeah, you guys see what I'm doing. I'm trying to stick the head in there, so I'll come back when this exhaust tip is in there and when I get ready for that.